घनश्याम तिवारी had appreciated मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और चेंबर में कहा कि कुछ भी मेरे से गलती हुई है तो मैं सदन में माफी मांगूंगा। आपको नहीं पता भाई। घनश्याम जी praised मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी to a very height. He should again praise it. नहीं, you should again do it. Sir, this is not done. This is not done. I give quietus to this discussion with compliments to Ghanshyam Tiwari for using parliamentary language, respecting leader of the opposition in the highest of traditions. One second. Take your seat. Take your seat. Let us proceed with the question hour. No. माननीय एलओपी श्रीमान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और घनश्याम तिवारी जी दोनों ने मेरे निवेदन को स्वीकार किया। हमने पूरी चर्चा की, एक एक शब्द देखा गया और अंत में यह पाया गया कि श्री घनश्याम तिवारी जी ने जो प्रशंसा मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी की वो श्रेष्ठम थी और इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं हो सकती थी। उस समय समझ में नहीं आया। घनश्याम तिवारी हैड एप्रिशिएटेड मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और चेंबर में कहा कि कुछ भी मेरे से गलती हुई है तो मैं सदन में माफी मांगूंगा। आपको नहीं पता भाई। ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, I take a strong exception to what Jairam Ramesh is saying. What I am indicating is, what I am indicating is that at my request, Shri Mallikarjun Khadge ji and Ghanshyam Tiwari ji both were good enough to come to my chamber. I had the occasion to go through each word of that. Honorable members can go through that. Ghanshyam Tiwari ji had appreciated leader of the opposition to a very high level, and Mallikarjun, sir, let's not, we have regard for you, sir. He has raised it. I hope he has not raised. Again, we'll interact, sir. Question hour. No. Yeah, okay. 1 second. And sir, before that, one thing. Even after that meeting, I myself read every word of it. And then I found, no, I'll give time. Then I found that there was nothing objectionable. I had also pleaded with the leader of the opposition that if he finds something objectionable, he may indicate, please, sir.
No, sir, that I have not seen because you told.
I've seen, sir.
You told that I will go through the records. If anything is there, I will come back.
Yes.
And inform the. I told that even Ghanshyamji, it is better the same thing what you have explained me in chamber, the same thing you say in the house.
I will do that.
So,
I will do
so that everybody knows.
Actually, yes, sir. Actually, Ghanshyamji has raised the status of Mallikarjun ji Khadge to a level of a god. That's what he has said, Ghanshyamji. And that is what he has spoken. And that is what I have seen. And I am grateful to leader of opposition, Mallikarjun ji and Ghanshyam Tiwari ji. Both of them, honorable members, one has experience of more than 5 decades. The other has experience of more than 4 decades. But I am trying to put the house in order. Why should a member of this side, without make a reference, without getting permission of the LOP? Again. Chair has not given you permission. No, I thought you were supporting Pramod Tiwari on that rail link. So I thought I thought you are associating yourself. So I thought it's a good thing. If a member associates with someone, I encourage it. Can in any case. Sir. Pramod ji, no, sir. Pramod ji, all you are saying is that Ghanshyam ji praised Mallikarjun Khadge ji to a very height. He should again praise it. No, he should again do it. Sir, this is not done. This is not done. Honorable members, I give quietus to this discussion with compliments to Ghanshyam Tiwari for using parliamentary language, respecting leader of the opposition in the highest of traditions, and expressing to me that he is prepared to apologize if he has transgressed in any manner. I have read it carefully. Not only there was no transgression by Sri Ghanshyam Tiwari ji, he embellished the well-deserved reputation of Sri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and therefore, if a member of this House with about 4 decades of parliamentary experience praises another member with 5 decades of experience, it's a joyous moment for us, quietus to the issue. I need not come back to the House on this issue. Question number 1. Okay, better. Sir, apology for what?
You say that he has apologized.
He has not. Absolutely not. People don't apologize when they praise. If I praise leader of the House, if I express gratitude to the, if I express gratitude to the senior leadership, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji has praised Mallikarjun Kharge ji. Would any member of this House, including Pramod Tiwari ji, point out a single word from the address of Ghanshyam Tiwari to which exception can be taken? Any word, any word. No, I will not give floor to you. Disturbance.
जिक्र किया था एलओपी का, माइक एलओपी का जिक्र किया था, तो मैं उसे दोहराना नहीं चाहता, पर इतना जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि जो टोन थी, जिस ढंग से उन्होंने कहा था और जो शब्द कहे थे, वो तकलीफ बोल देना, वो निसंदेह जो डिकोरम होता है एलओपी ऑफिस का, उसके मद्देनजर उचित नहीं थी। टोन वर्ड दोनों को मैं कह रहा हूं नहीं थी।
सुनो, मैं बताता हूं।
ये भी दिया
नहीं, सुनिए प्रमोद जी, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji was speaking in Sanskrit. Now Sanskrit is a language that requires some kind of orientation. Since you were not present here, you are not. Honorable members, I'll come to one issue. 1 second. No, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am not giving floor to you. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Again. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am about to name you. I am about to name you. Take your seat, Rajiv ji. हाँ, अजय माकन जी, want to say something?
कह रहा हूं किस बात के लिए सर? ये एक बात लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के साथ में हुआ है, उसके बारे में आपके संज्ञान में ला रहे हैं, सब लोगों के सामने हुआ, इसलिए नेम कर देंगे?
नहीं, अजय माकन जी।
सर आप कभी, सर मैं एक हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूं, सर आप कहते हैं आप हंस क्यों रहे हैं, आप कहते हैं आप मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हैं, आप बैठे क्यों हुए? सर प्लीज ऐसे मत करिए।
सुनो, अजय माकन जी, नहीं राजीव जी बैठिए, राजीव जी बैठिए। नहीं, सुनिए, नहीं, राजीव प्लीज टेक योर सीट। राजीव जी टेक योर सीट। Rajiv ji, take, nothing is going on record. Now take it. Honorable members, would any honorable member of the House please point out to me, read from the text what Ghanshyam ji said? Would any member of the House say so? How can a member of this House take floor without telling me that he takes exception to this part of Ghanshyam ji's statement? I can understand. My perception may be different. Mallikarjun's perception may be different. A member rises. He doesn't know what he's saying. Once I have not allowed you now, Jairam ji, I will appeal to the senior leadership to... Sir.
And sir, you want to know the word he used? Do you want to know the word he used? We have given it to you in writing. इन्होंने इनके परिवार के बात कहा। परिवारवाद का आरोप लगाया।
Nothing is going on record and
you know it. And you know it.
take your seat. Take your seat. Nothing going. I request the senior members of Congress Party, the honorable member, totally ignorant of what was spoken. Can someone ask him to keep quiet? Can you ask him to keep quiet first? Can leader of the opposition ask your member to be quiet? Say nothing. Question number 196. Sushri Susmita Sen. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir, we can't have running discussion on this. No, sir. Give in writing if there is an issue. No, nothing. Nothing. Absolutely. Question number 196. Sushmita Sen. Please. Sir, nothing.
You are speaking in the chamber. Instead of that, you should explain in house what we have spoken there. It should be told here. Then honorable member.
Because I have not given permission. Nothing is going on record. It will be on if I give permission. I will not. No, Mukherjee. Honorable members. क्यों ज्यादा नहीं करनी चाहिए एक बार कर दी खत्म होनी चाहिए one second take your seat let us proceed with the question hour no please no one only Mr. Thiruchi Shiva no one else
Observations.
okay
Please.
yes Mr. Thiruchi. What is your observation, Mr. Thiruchi?
Sir, number one, sir, kindly whenever the leader of opposition gets up, give him the floor, sir, and listen to him, what he wants to do. That's my first request, sir. Second is, sir, as Mr. Tiwari told here, what I inferred because the what transport was in Hindi. Sir, Pramod Tiwari, not that Tiwari, sir. No, sir. I recall, sir, one day Mr. Chidambaram asked you, how 267 notice was preceded by another motion? How can you do that? And you were agitated. Because how can you ask, how can you do that? Sir, I told them, it was not how can you do that? How can you do that, sir? It's only the tone that matters. When you are being, something happen, the same will apply to the LOP also, sir. Please, sir.